Hi folks, another quickie one. This one is books I like to tell people to read. Now, our friend West Wind Survival likes to read, so do I. And this covers dystopias and apocalyptic. We got okay, yeah, that's kind of hard book. We got Brave New World by Alexis Hutley. We have Player Piano by Kurt Vonnegut. We have 1984 by George Orwell. Last and Stand on Zanzibar by John Brenner. Now I always put this one off because it's a really hard text to read. And it's by Samuel R. Delaney. You can see that. Yeah, my handwriting is getting bad over the years. Okay? That's Dahlgren. Dhalgen by Samuel. Oh, gosh. 1 second. That's all I need. Just die on camera. Thank God tomorrow I'm getting my tranquilizers. Okay. It's a novel. You could check it out on Extra Credit or Extra History. It'll explain, or Extra Science Fiction. It'll explain this novel in, whatchamacallit, Cliff Notes terms. Okay? So go check out the book. Read it. Give me your opinion. Because a lot of people right now are confused. Very confused. Okay? Oh, excuse me. Yeah, it's probably, let's see, what time is it? Yeah, it's 2 in the morning. Still working, half asleep. And if you've seen the earlier video, yeah, I had a few videos. And my last count, checking everybody, I lost 25 more channels. It's just like, okay, just drive Uncle Alan crazy. Thank you very much. I gained 2, lose 25. Or is it gain 3 and lose 25? I don't know. It's late at night and Uncle Alan's very tired. And yes, I did get my prescription for new lenses. I just got to go in there, get the eye exam, the whole bit. Just falling apart, folks. Okay, I'll catch you later. We'll have a nice talk later. Please check out those channels that I do mention. Okay, I do have, whatchamacallit, I'm trying to backtrack, find out what channels are missing, what videos are missing. So I check all mine. I only missed 2 videos, but that were politics, I believe. So they put it over to private. I still got all 687 videos. It's still there, folks, so you can check them out anytime you want. Like I said, I got another 800 plus to go, and then I'm leaving YouTube because Uncle Alan's tired and I'm retired. I'm not supposed to do all this wacky stuff. And a lot of people were asking me a question, why do you always say entertainment? Well, the reason why is YouTube is educational and entertainment. Okay, it's a open base public access channel. Let's repeat that. An open base public channel. So a lot of you people out there have to be very careful when you're watching YouTube. Nothing on YouTube is real. Same as TV, same as social media, same as fake news. You have to decide for yourself. This is why in every description box, think for yourself, and God bless. And thank you for watching. Later, folks.